What's going on, everyone? It's the Fire here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be talking about four traffic strategies. Four traffic strategies. These are all paid strategies. They can be free in a way, but I'm going to mainly be talking about the paid part because that's really, if you want to keep traffic flowing and flowing and flowing, because free traffic is your time traffic. And if you really want to succeed in the MCA business, you want to have your traffic automated. You don't want to be trying to bring traffic in. You should be worrying more about closing your leads and your sales, in my opinion. So I'm going to talk about four traffic strategies, two offline and two online strategies that you can do to bring traffic into your MCA business. There's a bunch of strategies out there. There's so many ways to get traffic. It's all about whether you know exactly what you have to do to get the traffic. So the first traffic strategy I wanted to talk about is Facebook advertising. Like, a lot of people do this. And the difference, posting an ad on Facebook is not posting a video on your average page. What you need to do is you need to create a business page, and then you need to create a business Facebook account, which then allows you to get into this secret office that not many people know about, where you can then run ads for your business. I'm not talking about the boost post to run Facebook ads. I'm talking going deep into an ads manager and a power editor. If you have no idea what that is, I really suggest you get into my training for MCA. But besides that, you want to run Facebook ads for your business. Facebook advertising, there's been some changes recently, but as an entrepreneur, we learn to adjust to those things. And basically all we're doing in Facebook advertising is we're targeting people based upon interest and driving them to whatever offering. Now look, your ad that you're using, which your ad is the law of attraction. So basically whatever you're using to attract people to your ad, that literally has to have some type of laser targeted message to your interests. That ad has to then drive that traffic, make sure it's driven to the proper lead funnel that matches, or some sort of presentation, or sorry about that, and some sort of presentation that you are basically delivering the message that basically relates to the person. Your Facebook advertising traffic really has to be targeted for, it can work, but at the same time, you want to have a traffic source that when you do get leads and stuff, you want to basically use Facebook ads Pixel. If you guys still don't know what that is, I really suggest you get into my training. Use Facebook ads Pixel to basically target a lookalike audience. Now, that's basically, the gist for that. There's more to getting traffic to your MCA business, but I can go on and on and on, but I want to get on to the next source of traffic. So another source of paid traffic can be Google Ads. Here's the thing with Google Ads. If you're trying to promote the work from home opportunity, you need to be very, very strict with the terms and keywords you use. Same thing going for the Facebook advertisement. They don't like MLM type of opportunities. They don't not like MCA at all when you're promoting it on Facebook. So you do not want to use the words MCA or any sort of the form of MCA whenever you're promoting on Facebook. But onto Google AdWords, you want to mainly try to sell the benefits I suggest on this platform, because Google, they don't like that type of stuff. I mean, you could say work from home, online business, things like that. But if you say make money online, things like that, Google doesn't like that. So I would say really suggest you guys target things that are keyworded towards the benefits, or an online business or a work from home opportunity. You do not want to use make money online, make cash online, fast cash online, things like that on Google AdWords. No, none of that. You do not want to do that at all. So basically, whenever you're trying to build traffic into your MCA website, I really suggest that you find the proper keywords. There's a bunch of keywords that you can go around and use for MCA benefits. I know if you do not know how to do keyword research, I will be teaching that soon in my course, as soon as I mastered it down to a science. But I am going to be teaching that soon. So, as I always say, my training is always being updated all the time. So I really suggest that people get into it before I just raise the price and close it off. So basically, do your keyword research for the MCA benefits and see what suits you the best. And then when you figure out what's really working, you want to just scrap out the rest, find a nice targeted audience with your keywords, and then basically what you put in, you get out. And at the same time, you want to be capturing your leads. So in maybe when you want to get back in contact with them in some sort of way, you have them as a lead. You know, they bought from you once, they'll buy from you again. You want to make sure you do that for your business. A lot of people aren't doing that. They think we're going to just settle for an $80 sale and promote MCA. No, we're going to make more money from our benefits in some sort of way. There's always going to be new prospects looking for some other, you know, auto product, and you'll be the first to serve them. So think of it like that. You want to be retargeting your audience and upselling them with this traffic. So two online sources I went over are Facebook advertising and Google AdWords. You want to master both of these because these could really change your situation for your MCA business, and a lot of people really don't even understand this. So what I'm gonna go on to next is offline page strategies. You know, offline page strategies are basically automated ways to simply making you money. You know, offline page strategies are like having employees basically, but you know, employees are partnerships. That's how I like to see it. So what I like to do is a paid offline strategy is going on Craigslist, making a post. You know, first you want to buy these flyers. So you want to buy about 5,000 flyers for about 150 bucks. 5K flyers for 150 bucks. And you want the flyer to deliver a powerful message that will get people to look through whatever you have to offer. So whatever this opportunity or the message, or whether it's the opportunity or the benefits, you want the message on the flyer to be really powerful where it makes the person have to check out whatever is on this card. And if 5,000 people are looking at what you have to offer, imagine the things you can change. Now look at this. Think about this. The fact that it's offline, it's more personal, which although the traffic may be slower, it can be automated. Because look, if you go on Craigslist, there's people who are looking to do small odd jobs. And if you can pay the person on Craigslist to hand out these flyers for 80 bits of money, you're going to make so much more money in the long run. Think about the bosses with employees that are, you know, getting employees for minimum wage, and the minimum wage people are making them about thousands of dollars in sales at the cash register. It's basically the same thing you're going to be doing. Is just setting they're just sending traffic to your capture page or your lead page or your website, and you're going to be just making money like this, or you're going to have another team closing the sales. You know, paid offline traffic is usually you purchasing a team. Another way you can do it is by partnering with auto mechanics and deal shops. I do teach this in my training as well. If you want to learn how to do this, I do have a training to teach you how to do this. Partnering with auto mechanics and dealers and other things, and getting them to sell the benefits for you. Now, there's things you have to learn that it goes into when trying to create partnerships with other businesses. You need to come out a certain way. You need to have a script. You need to deliver the value that's needed for them to believe that this is your business and you take pride in your business. There's a lot of things you should know when getting into things like this. But partnering with auto shops and mechanics and anything auto professional related is a really powerful way to get paid traffic, because you are going to be paying them, or you can make good deals with them in order to drive traffic to your MCA business. We have the best product, but this product won't make you any money unless you have eyeballs on your business. So think about it. You've been working on your MCA business. You're probably watching this video because you're training whatever you applied. It just hasn't been working. You've been posting on social media. Oh, uh, who wants to make $80 a day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? That crap. Like, I know you're sick and tired of posting that crap. You're not getting anyone to want to make money with you. And, I'm going to be honest, that's just really the slow route. And if you want to ever think about accelerating your business to the next level, I have a training below. It's for my team. I have offline mastery training, or I have the offline plus, I call it my MCA blueprint mastery for my team, multidimensional income. Multidimensional income is basically my company. I teach people to create multiple streams of income and leverage them all together so you can be happy. And when things like the market crashes or something crashing, you have other legs to stand on. But right now, I want you to master your MCA business. So if you are not part of my team and you want to be part of my team, contact me on Facebook or send me an email. If you are looking for training, you can send me an email, or I have a link below to my teaching school, and basically it has all of my courses all in one, and you can get access to that today. Just click the link below, get access to it. All right. So, what are you waiting for, guys? Can't wait to see you on the inside. All right. Anyways, if you're ever looking for more training videos, more tips, more of this, take what I taught you today, apply it. What is it going to hurt? If it doesn't make, it should make you money. First of all, I'm not going to even put a doubt about that, but it's all about application. I'm not going to guarantee you success unless you have to put in as much work as possible and leverage your brain and your brain and always be willing to learn new things in order to keep up in this business. Things are getting outdated, things are updating. Internet is taking over, and you guys are the first ones to take advantage of this. You're watching this video because of the fact that you want to make money online or you want to build your business. So what are you waiting for? Get into that training or join my team. I'll see you guys on the other side. Always subscribe, leave a like, comment, tell me what you think. Peace.